What's so great about the G703 is it uses the same great shape of the original 403. G403 was so popular because it was incredibly comfortable, had features and technology that gave gamers exactly what they were looking for, like Lightspeed Wireless.
When we say Lightspeed Wireless is tournament grade, we're not just saying that because it sounds cool in marketing, right? It's actually been used by professional gamers to win significant tournaments.
G703 comes with 6 programmable buttons: the main left and right button, the 2 side buttons, the middle click button, and the DPI switch button. The main left and right buttons also use mechanical micro switches that are rated for 50 million clicks. What comes in the box is the G703 mouse, the micro USB cable, the micro USB adapter, and the Lightspeed receiver, and 10-gram weight. When you're ready to charge the mouse, simply disconnect the Lightspeed adapter and connect the cable to the mouse. Because the cable is data and power, you can game while you're charging. When the mouse is done charging, simply unplug the cable and plug it back into the Lightspeed wireless adapter, and you're back up and running with wireless gaming. G703 also comes with an optional 10-gram weight. To install this, simply remove the magnetic weight door, press the weight into it, and replace it back into the mouse. The G703 is ergonomically designed for comfort and is compatible with many different grip styles and hand sizes. Not only do we make a great shape, but we've also added some incredible technologies like 50 million click lifetime switches. We've also added Power Play, which is unlimited power to the mouse.
G703 gives you all of the performance you need without any of the constraints that wired mice bring.
You get the speed of Lightspeed, and you get unlimited power with Power Play. It's incredible. G903 Lightspeed is well known for being one of the most advanced mice available. The ultra-fast Lightspeed wireless technology in G903 is the gold standard of wireless gaming tech. Now, we've added the Hero 16K sensor as the latest performance upgrade to the already super powerful G903. The Hero 16K sensor is our most accurate ever. It has zero smoothing, filtering, or acceleration across the entire DPI range. It's 10 times more power efficient than the previous generation, which means you can play even longer on each charge. Logitech G Hub software gives you the ability to customize LightSync RGB. It also lets you program each of the 11 buttons on the mouse to simplify in-game actions or execute complex tasks. G903 Lightspeed with Hero sensor weighs just 107 grams, but it also comes with an optional 10-gram weight if you'd like to have a bit of weight added back into your mouse. The shape is ambidextrous and features removable buttons for both the left and right-handed users. The main left and right mouse buttons also feature our mechanical spring button tensioning system with a metal pivot and gives you crisp, accurate clicks. If you have the Power Play wireless charging system, G903 Lightspeed is also compatible with wireless charging technology. Check out G903 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse with the Hero 16K sensor at logitechg.com and keep playing. Whenever we release a new product, we always get asked, when are you gonna do the G502 wireless? Today is a very exciting day. Gamers all over the world love the G502 for its incredible performance and amazingly customizable features. The G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse has all the same great features like 11 programmable buttons, the hyper-fast scroll wheel, weight tuning, and LightSync RGB technology. But now we've added advanced button tensioning, Lightspeed wireless technology with our most advanced Hero 16K sensor, and of course Power Play for continuous wireless charging. For years, we've been developing our ecosystem of Lightspeed wireless technologies that make light, powerful wireless gaming mice. When you combine this with the complete redesign of the internal structure of the mouse, you can enable a wireless experience without compromising the original qualities that made the G502 so amazing. Now you don't have to choose between the freedom of Lightspeed wireless technology and the popular high-performance design of the G502.